This is an oil filter, and I just brought it out of this car. This thing traps all the dirt and contaminants inside your car's engine to make sure that your car's engine oil is clean at all times. This is an old oil filter, this is a new oil filter. Every time you service your car, you have to change your oil filter. Because if you don't change it, it just means that all the dirt and contaminants inside your engine will start to affect some other things. So basically, every time you change your engine oil, you must change your oil filter to keep your engine oil clean at all times.
This is a brake pad, and it's your responsibility to stop your car whenever you press on the brake pedal. If you have a bad brake pad, the chances are your car will not stop at the exact moment that you need it to stop, and it will lead to an accident. Brake pads are like pencil erasers. As you keep using them, they keep reducing. This is a new brake pad, and this is an old brake pad. You can check out the difference in their thicknesses. So anytime you press on your brake and you feel like it's loose, or you hear a squeaking sound when you press on the brake pedal, that's an indicator that you need to change your brake pad.
This is a spark plug. It literally sparks life into your car's engine. Now, every car has between 3 to 12 spark plugs. It just depends on the type of engine that's in the car. So a 4-plug engine, 4 plugs. A V6 engine usually has 6 plugs. A V8 engine usually have what? 8 plugs. If one or more fails, your car's engine performance will drop drastically. You will even notice because your car will start to consume more fuel. Essentially, your car's performance is just as good as your weakest spark plug. This is a bad spark plug. This is a good spark plug. What is the difference? Here you can see carbon deposits all over black. The electrode gap is very wide. While this one, shiny, fresh, electrode gap is just right. Now, spark plugs are subject to wear and tear. They naturally just go bad, which is why every 3 to 4 years you need to replace all the spark plugs in your car at the same time to keep your engine performance up there. Now, you know the exact problem with your car and you need quality parts to solve this problem. But not just quality parts, you need parts that have the exact specification with what is already in your car.
And with Winpart cross-referencing technology, you can be sure you are getting the exact parts to put your car in the most pristine condition. No trial and error, no cuts to fit, no mechanical problems.
I think you should totally check out Winpart by CFAO today. My name is Crank.
My name is Mutileke.
And this is 234 Drive.